We are getting ready to install this C.H.I shaker. So basically this opening was two 8x7s. They had a carpenter come in, they put an LVL header across there to stiffen that up, and then they knocked out that center post. So now we got a 17x7 door. But once I get the door all stacked in, I'm gonna have to put in the spring pad right there in the center once I get to that point, for the spring line and for the opener mount. Currently right now I'm gonna get the trim, and we'll get this weather seal up on there around the opening, and we can start stacking in the door. So this is the shaker door. That's the pattern on the front. Long panel windows. Let's go inside and take a look at it. There we go. Perfect. LiftMaster 8550. C.H.I shaker model. If you have any questions, visit their website, chiohd.com. Check out the different models they have, and you may like this one. You can picture a long panel, like the long rectangle, but they just broke it up into 4 little rectangles. It's a little different from the norm, so get you some of this. This is a nice door. Steel pan, the price is right. It's not too insanely expensive, so thanks for checking us out. Tell me your thoughts, and we'll talk to you people from Earth on the next one. Peace out.